Away from all my goodies. Just what I was looking for. I'll modify that baby. So many possibilities. Probably this one. Yeah, that's a good one.
Real helpful, Kitty.
I haven't ran this pressure washer in about 3 years, so bear with me as I rebuild the carburetor quickly.
I can't ever remember what these mean. I think that's choke. If I ever needed it.
Aha! An expert with those nozzles look pretty shitty over there. I owned this truck for 5 years. I never washed it at one time. It's appropriate that I build this thing, and this is how I test it out. Oh yeah, just getting in there. Definitely get stuff off of there though. You know, I kind of made this as a joke, but it does a really good job of spraying up underneath here. Well, you can see here I was planning for my truck, and the spacing works out great for that, but for like a minivan here, or something lower to the ground, you're gonna have to put the nozzles closer. But for like this pickup, it works just like perfect. See if it's actually doing anything. There's the frame before. Let's give her the old spray. All right, here it is. Hitting the old clean roof. Let's see what it looks like. I mean, I think it cleaned it. Look at that. I've got $4 in a car wash already. Safety always off. Look at this. Off-roading even with it. Look at that, all terrain. Works surprisingly good. Well, here's my setup. This is a pressure washer I bought at a garage sale, so I don't know nothing about it. I just hooked it up, and I tried this extension here, but there's so many spots that it can swivel. It didn't work that great. It honestly just works better using it just like this. What I noticed is that my spacing is a little too far on my nozzles. I wanted to make this bigger than the ones you see just because, I don't know, I measured the angle, and honestly it works great for like a pickup, but something a little lower to the ground doesn't work very good. So if you're gonna make one of these, watch me struggle to use a tape measure. Go less than the 8-inch spacing that I have. 6 or 5 would probably be better. That's what I know. God, I like this thing so much, I might actually even paint it. Wouldn't that be nice?